There is a moment, just before sunrise, when the world feels still, the road is empty, the air is calm, and everything feels possible. No schedules, no noise, no rush to be anywhere, just you, and the open road ahead. For some people, home is a fixed place, a single address, 4 familiar walls, but for others, home is a feeling, a sense of freedom, movement, choice. And for those who truly understand the meaning of travel, home is not where you stop. Home is wherever the journey takes you. This is not just a story about motorhomes. This is a story about independence, comfort, and a life without limits. Welcome. To a world where the road becomes home, travel was once about compromise, limited space, basic comfort, temporary convenience. But over time, something changed. Motorhomes evolved. What began as simple recreational vehicles slowly transformed into fully functional living spaces. Today, modern luxury motorhomes are rolling residences. They offer open living rooms, designer kitchens, private bedrooms, and spa-like bathrooms, all crafted to deliver the comfort of a high-end home while moving freely across landscapes. This evolution was driven by people who wanted more than holidays. They wanted a lifestyle where each morning brings a new view, yet the feeling of home never changes. The first time you see a luxury motorhome, you don't just see transportation. You feel strength, bold proportions, confident design, a presence that commands the road. These vehicles are built to perform. Powerful diesel engines deliver smooth torque, effortlessly carrying weight across long distances. Whether climbing mountain roads or cruising endless highways, the drive feels controlled and assured. Every exterior detail is purposeful. Every line is designed for both beauty and function. Before you ever step inside, you already understand one thing. This is something special, and then the door opens. Instantly, the outside world fades away. You are welcomed by warmth, space, and calm. Soft lighting, premium materials, thoughtfully designed interiors. This is not a vehicle cabin. This is a living room in motion. Large windows invite natural light to fill the space, connecting you directly to the environment outside. Mountains, forests, oceans. Wherever you park, the world becomes part of your home. Here, mornings feel slower, evenings feel quieter, and every moment feels intentional. At the heart of every home lies the kitchen. And in a luxury motorhome, this space is designed without compromise. Full-size refrigerators, modern cooktops, ovens, storage, and premium finishes. Everything is secured for movement, yet designed to feel permanent. You can prepare breakfast beside a mountain lake or enjoy dinner overlooking a desert horizon. Meals become moments. Cooking becomes ritual. Because when life slows down, even simple food tastes extraordinary. Beyond the main living space, privacy awaits. The bedroom is quiet and inviting. Large beds, soft textures, subtle ambient lighting. You fall asleep in comfort and wake up surrounded by nature. The bathroom continues the experience. Hot showers, elegant fixtures, hotel-level design. There are no sacrifices here, no shortcuts, only comfort, no matter where the road leads. But beyond comfort and innovation, there is something deeper. Freedom. Freedom to change plans without explanation. To stay longer when a place feels right. To leave without checking out. No hotel reservations, no strict itineraries, no limits. Families grow closer. Couples reconnect. Solo travelers rediscover themselves. Motorhome living is not about escaping reality. It is about designing a life that feels intentional, balanced, and free. In a world that moves too fast, this lifestyle teaches us to slow down, to appreciate quiet moments, to value experiences over possessions, to measure wealth in memories, not schedules. Luxury motorhomes represent more than travel. They represent choice, control, and courage. They remind us that life is not meant to be lived in one place, Some people collect things, others collect moments. The road offers endless moments to those willing to follow it. So wherever your journey leads, remember this. Home is not four walls. Home is where you decide to stop. And sometimes, home has wheels.